Buddy. No.
So Nelson and I, a couple days ago, decided that we're going to run a half marathon in a couple days. We're giving ourselves 1 week to train, and we're doing it this upcoming Sunday on Super Bowl Sunday. So yesterday we ran a mile. Today we're gonna run 2 miles. Then the next 2 days, 1 mile. And then on Thursday, we're gonna run 3 miles and then give ourselves 2 days to recover and then run 13.
Honestly though, I think we only trained for a mile the last time we did this.
Yeah.
And we accidentally ran 15 miles.
That's true, so we'll see. We also made this dog video yesterday that was really fun. We went to this place called Stansbury Island. We made it because Nelson and I made this podcast, and I don't know, we wanted to make a video to show that we made it. So anyways, we're only halfway through the video, and here it is.
It feels so good, it feels so good, it feels so good. Oh my, gonna make my move. I'm all in, got nothing to lose. Oh my, gonna shake it off. It ain't no thing, it ain't no thing. Oh my, doing what I want. Gonna do my thing, do my thing. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Have a great summer.
Yesterday I got to 0.75 and I thought I was gonna die. But I feel like when I have music, it helps me.
Yeah, well, I mean, grab some phones, grab some buds.
Yeah, but then I also just like being able to talk to you, so I'm gonna try and do tube without music.
It is, sometimes talking is nice, it's like a nice distraction, but
Sort of, except then it just makes me more out of breath. We're gonna make our done.
oh no, look, I done.
We're gonna make our dogs run the half marathon with us, so they're also training. Nala, you gonna be able to do it?
She's
No.
like, can you?
No response. We did it down a canyon the last time we did it by ourselves with our dogs, and we might try the same canyon. But there also might be snow up there, so we gotta go check that out this week. Here we go, we're about to run a half marathon together.
Yeah.
We signed up for one, and then it got canceled, so we just kind of didn't think we were gonna do it. And then on Monday, we ran a mile and decided we were.
Said a mile was more than enough training. Beautiful up here though.
At our last water station. We started all the way up in that canyon. It's the moment I thought never would come. All these people are waiting for us to finish our half marathon. Just kidding.
We did it! Let's have a hug. If I don't move, you don't know anything's wrong.
Walk towards me. Oh, do it.
No.
Okay, walk normal then.
If I don't bend my legs, everything's fine.
That's how I have to walk. You're kidding me. That's literally, like, I just am lifting my hip when I walk, like.
Just like using my stomach to like walk. Just makes no sense. Minute break.
Okay, we just finished 1 mile, and it wasn't as hard as yesterday, which is a plus.
Still feeling a lot of things jiggling up and down.
Yeah.
So we got work to do. 2, 1. Let's go.
Let's run on the road. The sidewalk has a bunch of bushes on it. Ella doesn't like that.
Okay.
She's particular where she runs. We're so close. We're all dying.
Yeah.
Even Nala. She's actually in the back. This last part has a little bit of an incline. And I do not do well with any type of incline. We did it.
Losing the goes. I'm gonna get new shoes.
Really?
At least for
Those are pretty old for you.
3 years.
Okay, go. I think I saw your hand.
Damn it. Her arms are so short.
Okay, do it again.
Ready?
Yeah.
She's not cooperative anymore.
Okay.
Oh, it latched.
Oh.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Damn it. Okay, hold on. Let's reset.
Okay.
Okay, what can you see and what can't you see? Because I don't really know. Can you see my legs?
I just have. No. It's just the. It's just the window.
Okay.
So just
No.
push her paw open. Ready?
Huh?
Just push the door open with her paw.
Oh, okay. If it was that
1,
simple, I
2,
would've done
3, go! I can't get closer like
She has
this.
no range of motion. Hold on. Stay. Oh. Damn, I just ripped my jacket. Oh, son of a bitch!
Stay. Noah!
Nala?
Stay. Do
Nala?
you want to go for a walk? For a walk? What's this? Do you want a bone? Do you want a bone? Oh, you're so good. And so pretty. Oh, look at you.
Okay.
Tell me when you're
Okay,
ready.
go.
Ready? Sorry, ready? Get it.
Ah!
Okay, stop.
Sarah! Oh, that's great too. Sarah, you are such a model.
You are.
That is insane.
Whatever is happening right now is ridiculous. It's just not recording.